DroneAg is the developer of Skippy, a mobile app delivering precision ag data on a smartphone. Using inexpensive, commercial off-the-shelf COTS DJI drones, Skippy could be a game-changer for farmers, researchers, and commercial producers of agricultural products. Skippy Scout delivers crop views, reporting, and more, automatically. Skippy doesn't require great piloting skills, automating the flight and flying the COTS drone to selected points in a field to send you high-resolution, leaf-level images. Then Skippy analyzes the captured images and sends you a field report with % healthy crop, unhealthy crop, weeds and insect damage, says DroneAg. The whole process takes minutes, not hours. DroneAg wins UK grant to develop Skippy Scout, automated crop scouting with COTA drones. By Drone Life staff writer Ian Crosby, DroneAg has announced the start of a new 2-year project funded by Innovate UK with a grant of £610,000, which was conditional on raising at least an equal amount from private investors. I am delighted that our grant funding has helped to de-risk DroneAg's ambitious technology plan sufficiently to encourage further private investment, said Innovate UK Program Manager Bruce Colley. The funding will allow for the development of DroneAg's new automated aerial drone-based system, which is designed to test and validate new agricultural products and will have applications in the methodologies of both research and commercial trials. The investment was led by a consortium of partners which includes the Business Innovation Centre BIC alongside Innovation Super Network Newcastle Angel Hub, North Invest, Funder North and the UCBA. We've supported DroneAg from the start of their journey and are thrilled to help them receive this grant from Innovate UK, said Jordan Darg, Head of Access to Finance at Innovation Super Network. The technology that DroneAg are developing is groundbreaking, and the funding is going to help them achieve their goals of a faster, more efficient plot analysis automation. I'm looking forward to watching how this project unfolds over the next 2 years. Trials programs are in desperate need of innovation, as most monitoring is still done visually, manually, and in person, said Ruth Mann, Head of Integrated Crop Technologies at Agri. With the support of industry leaders like Agri, Eurofins Agroscience Services, and UPL, DroneAg seeks to offer fully automated drone flights from on-site base stations. Its high-powered analysis and integration grant companies the ability to monitor, assess, and interrogate their trials with increased speed and accuracy. UPL are excited to see DroneAg's solutions being applied to research and development trials, said Graham Palton, Global Head of Agronomic Digital Innovation Team at UPL. We are very supportive as we see many benefits to our own operations, including staff well-being. We hope in supporting this, others will also come to benefit, which is aligned to UPL's Open Ag mission. Crop research and development is an extremely important factor in moving agriculture toward infinite sustainability, added DroneAg founder Jack Rangham. We are very excited to receive Innovate UK's backing and support from Agri, UPL, and Eurofins to help develop a version of the Skippy Scout platform that will revolutionize crop trials monitoring and analysis.